Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, with, I believe, a 10-inch round, pretty sure. A little bit of Maiden black paint already dried on my edges. Another little bead right around the edge, so I can put, in my mind at least, I can do a bloom with a little less house paint in the center. And I might use a little bit of that Maiden with the house paint too. But paint will flow to paint, so we shall see, we shall see. Let's take most of that away. Wipe off my spatula in case I need it again. It takes a little longer for me to get my latex semi-gloss color place white paint out of the container. And I'm never sure I'm completely level, not with these strange setups. I think I want to tip some of that around briefly. I might put a little bit more in there because I can. I might put some black in there, which is the Maiden Black, which someday I hope returns to my Amazon link, which is on the link tree. I want to do some strange stuff today. Just to start with. Because I can sort of thing. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. One more good little bead and paint around there. Hoping that's going to be enough. I have new colors from Prizm Pour, Dark Waters. I'm used to seeing people pour these colors out, and I would like to do that myself. I just don't have them mixed up in those containers. This is something I mix myself. This is a combination of Chantilly lace and Frozen and Neptunes Gaze. And I really wanted a pale turquoise color that was very sparkly. And I think I did pretty well. I didn't use a lot of either one of them. This is the black raspberry. This is a fantastic color. Absolutely love this color. I'm not so sure about the carnation at this moment, but I'm going to use some anyway and see how it goes. The carnation is a fantastic color, no matter what. And what else did I want? I want some Mayan gold. And as long as I'm here, I might as well have some African violet. Oh yeah, other than that. I'm going to use some cell activator that is Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam black. And look, I marked my Maiden bottle with a green piece of tape so I can't make the mistake I made the other day. I'm going to add in a little bit of what? No, I'm not going to add in a little bit of anything. I'm just going to do it. Am I? Yes, I am. And I'm going to probably drag an any middle. I gotta say, I'm not really used to the whole wrecking thing. Although I've been doing similar things for a long time. I just never called it wrecked. Not so sure about those colors. At least not right now. Atoll! I want to put something else in the middle, in fact. I'm going to use some of my some of my Aussie Floetrol and Orange Unicorn Spit. Right in the middle. And then start the spin. Sometime I ought to start with just a black and white one of these. Kind of like a bunch of things about that, actually. Now what should I do with these over here? That has a lot of paint on the end of it. That's really different. And I did actually get the paint to spin out to the edge. I have some really nice cells. I'm going to like this a lot better, I can tell, as time goes on. Here's my heart for Valentine's Day, although it's not going to stay there. I don't think. Yeah, I like that. I don't mind that either. Let's give it one more spin and call it good. So I have over 2,400 videos, and should you happen to need one, you can go to my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, by going to my YouTube channel, and you'll find them there. This is too interesting to do anything else to. I'm trying to learn my lesson to stop sooner than later. It's not an easy lesson, believe me. Sometimes you're just in the moment and you think you don't like what you've got and you'd like it to be different. Like now. And sometimes it works and sometimes it's just too darn much. But I am getting more brazen by the moment. And I do like what I have, for the most part. There we go. Now I really like what I have. Do I want a pink dot in the center? Is that pink carnation ready to go, or do I want it to be gold? Or should I just open it first? There, I think I like that. Who knows if it'll stay or not. Come on, drop. There. Good. Okay, so what can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that keep me creating video tutorials on YouTube. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, check on the end screen video. Look for the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds. This one here is bugging me. I don't think you can have too many flower petals on your flower. I am going to zoom in. Oh, wow. That's out of range. And flashlight is just not turning on too well. Oh, hopefully you can see some of the sparkle in that. I'm not 100% sure I like this over here. And I think I'm going to like having a spiral there better. I say that now. My confidence level with blooms is a little bit lax. But I have some beautiful colors. And it's kind of a fun creation. Alright, so I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at noon and midnight right now. My mind is a blank. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link on my link tree, which is below the video, underneath Show More. If you'd like to check out Society 6, The Gallerist, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. It's for students. These two things here. Come on. That and that. They're bugging me just a little bit. I got ruffles on some, which I'm guessing should be on all. Get a bubble to pop. Oh, I like that. That's cool. There. Now at least I have a uniform or a more or less uniform edge on my petals. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for stopping. Check on my email address. It's under the link tree. It's EASPB, and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I have 2 books on the Amazon link, and if you shop my Amazon link, it helps me out at no added cost to you. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. My community board will show you what tomorrow's video is most times. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. Underneath my Show More, you will find the description. In the description, you'll find my paint pouring recipes. What am I forgetting? Spring clothing is the clothing you see under the video. This is kind of striking. Yeah, I'm liking it more and more. Sometimes it takes me a minute. I love you guys, though, and thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I will see you guys anon, whatever I forgot, like the fact that I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and use my email address if you have inquiries, and I do sell my art. Those were the 2 major things I was forgetting. All right, I'm not going to torch because it's pillow paint underneath, but I am going to look for any bubbles and pop them with a sharp skewer, bamboo skewer, probably. All right, bye for now. Priscilla out.